He's hunting down storms. He's Panama City's resident storm chaser. Joseph Mandeville takes some of the most stunning pictures you may ever see.
Our local storm chaser, Joseph Mandeville.
And if his name looks familiar, Mandeville is no stranger to TV news viewers.
Our friend Joseph Mandeville.
Friend of the program, Joseph Mandeville. Thanks to Joseph Mandeville once again.
Joseph Mandeville.
Weather spotter, weather observer, weather photographer, Joseph Mandeville.
And from Joseph Mandeville, a great photo.
Good shot here from Joseph Mandeville, looking out over the bay, beautiful.
Joseph Mandeville.
Joseph Mandeville capturing a nice little positive strike thanks to Joseph Mandeville.
Joseph Mandeville.
Joseph Mandeville, who's out offshore, gorgeous shot here.
Also Joseph Mandeville. Beautiful shot over Penn Forest Law.
Friend of the program, Joseph Mandeville, who takes some spectacular lightning images.
Storm chaser and weather spotter Joseph Mandeville.
And Joseph Mandeville of the squall line.
Joseph Mandeville, who was out chasing the storms down in Mexico Beach.
Hey, big shout out to Joseph Mandeville.
These were something from Joseph Mandeville. This is a microburst. Gathering another shot here by Joseph Mandeville. Look at this shot, also from Joseph Mandeville, the storm.
Joseph Mandeville capturing some good ones too.
Joseph Mandeville over into Panama City.
Our friend of the program, Joseph Mandeville, from the Panama City Marina.
Hi there, Joseph Mandeville. Thanks for sending in that picture.
Check out this shot from Joseph Mandeville. Early this morning, thanks to Joseph Mandeville over the St. Andrews Marina.
Oh, this shot right here, Joseph in Panama City, set up there at the Hathaway Bridge. You got the lightning strike, as well as the sunset and the distant thunderstorm. Just for the win, Joseph tonight, a job well done.
Veteran storm tracker Joseph Mandeville went to check out the scene.
Guys, I bet that's on the ground. Look at the rotation with it. It is coming right towards us. Definitely spinning, definitely spinning. Look at that. Hey, you might get your first water spout, bro. Yeah, it's coming right towards us, dude. Dude, that's a tornado forming in front of us. Holy crap, dude, look at the funnels coming down. The funnel's coming down. Look below it, look below it. It's coming right towards us. Guys, that's the definite funnel cloud. It don't get better than that, fellas. I got a video too. Yes, come on, do it. Do it. Touchdown, touchdown. Do it, man, do it. You're twisting so good. Don't pull up on us. No, don't do it. It was rotating right here. It's coming right towards us too. Right here, you see it? Yep. Where did it go? Damn, I can't see. Oh, here we go, guys. There we go. There we go. I believe it's coming overhead right now. Dang, where did it go? Man, it's really blowing good now. Alright, go. Oh, whoa! Yes. That GoPro's still going good. Good. Man, that was pretty impressive. Definitely, and then it blew through here. Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, you did warn us. Your mom said, I warned y'all. Yeah, we're not gonna see it.
But that was a developing tornado that was over our heads. I mean, none of these clouds are doing the twisting that that cloud was doing at all. Yep, here it is. Dang, you can't see a thing out on the Gulf now. Yeah, oh yeah. What I was talking about earlier, it's probably gonna get wet underneath here.